All right, IB juniors, here's the plan for Wednesday, May 27th. Complete the May 27th do now assignment. It's a hard hitting question. Hopefully, you spend an exorbitant amount of time on it. Second, complete the other treaties assignment. That's due on Friday, May 29th. It's commonly misunderstood that the Treaty of Versailles was the only treaty signed. That's not the case. Separate treaties needed to be addressed to all of the other Central Powers nations. So you'll be looking at those other treaties and determining whether or not they were fair, similar to the activities that you've been doing with the Treaty of Versailles. And then the last assignment here is about the Rapallo Treaty in the spring of 1922, largely in response to what was known as the Washington Naval Agreements, where most of the world powers, with the exception of Germany and the Soviet Union, were invited to Washington to negotiate an arms reduction treaty. Since Germany and Russia were not invited, they concluded what was known as the Rapallo Treaty in April of 1922. And rightfully so, it raised the ire, or even more so, it frightened the Allied powers, and you'll see why. So that is the second activity. There are just 4 questions based upon it. It's found in either the resources folder, or if you have the IB Diploma Program Course Companion that you picked up from my house, you'll be able to use that. Lastly, there is no formal assessment at the end of this unit. Okay, I'm not going to give you guys a stressful test that you need to complete. But what I do need you to do is focus in on these last assignments and treat them as assessments. Everything that you're doing, I'm grading. I'm reading every answer that you're giving. And some of you are doing such an outstanding job. I can hardly believe how impressive you are. But others of you are either not doing it or you're not taking your time on those assignments. I would really love to see every single student in this course finish strong, because IB kids need to be gritty, and you need to be gritty when you get to the next level academically. I'm seeing it from some of you most definitely. And I'm hoping that some of you can pull through here at the end. I want you to understand that I want to help all of you. If you need help, that's my job. I'm supposed to help you. But I don't know if you need help if you're not asking for it. And if I'm sending you messages and you're not returning them, it's hard for me to help you. So I'm going to continue to make myself available. There will be another video conference today at 11. I'm going to be there. I'm going to be there for an hour. I'm going to answer every question that I can, and I'm going to help everybody that I can. If you want me to meet separately with you, as I've offered in the past, I would love to do that. If you want me to respond to questions on email, I would really love to do that too. I want to help you. I want everybody to get a grade that they're comfortable with here at the end, but I need you to earn it. I need you to do your best. We won't be developing as learners, and for you as students who are looking to enter the next phase academically and go to college next year. We're not going to be taking those steps if we don't buckle up here and finish the term strong. And I know you can do it, and I want to help you do it. All right? So that's what we got. Good luck. Ask for help if you need it. Hopefully I see more of you tomorrow or today, since today is technically May 27th, although I'm making this on Tuesday. All right? Love you guys. Be good. Be safe. See you soon.